Many auto repair shops don't struggle because of bad service, they struggle because of poor systems. Empty bays mean lost revenue, and AI is solving that problem fast. AI fills scheduling gaps automatically. If someone cancels, AI sends messages to waiting customers to fill the slot. If a customer doesn't book after an estimate, AI follows up. Nothing slips through the cracks. It also improves customer experience. AI answers FAQs, sends appointment reminders, and updates customers on repair status. Fewer angry calls, fewer no-shows, more 5-star reviews. For struggling shops, this is a lifeline. Instead of hiring more staff, AI does the admin work. That frees owners to focus on repairs, quality, and growth. We're seeing shops go from slow weeks to fully booked calendars just by installing AI systems. Same location, same staff, same skills, just smarter tools. AI doesn't replace your team, it amplifies it. And in a competitive market, that can be the difference between surviving and thriving.